Freelancing with Toptal means flexing your skills, but it also means mastering the Toptal Tracker. Let's dive in. First things first, open the Toptal Tracker application. You'll see the basic interface. Familiarize yourself with this central hub. The core function is time tracking before starting any task. Select the project and task you're working on from the drop-down menus. Make sure you've logged your project properly so that your hours are properly logged. Choose the right project and the task within that project before you hit that start button. Ready to start your work session? Click the start button. Now, the tracker is running. It is essential that you only track the hours you are actually working on the task selected. As the timer ticks, make a habit of taking short notes to clarify what you are working on. This will help you and the Toptal team keep track of your work. When you're done, click stop. You can then review and approve the log time. Remember, accurate timekeeping is crucial for invoicing and payments. To maximize productivity, integrate time management methods like the Pomodoro technique or the Eisenhower matrix. This will not only improve your focus but also elevate your success. Consistent use of the Toptal Tracker, combined with smart time management, will streamline your workflow and pave the way for a successful freelancing career with Toptal.